once again, buddies. This Smart Money AI, where I intentionally make videos on how best you can make money online. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to leave a comment. At least share, be positive. Let others get to know what we're doing here. I've been receiving numerous requests from most of my followers to make a video on how to trade using either MT4 or MT5. So today I'm going to hold your hand and systematically explain the MT4 interface to you. I'm talking about the MT4 trading app, right? So make sure you don't skip any section of the video. Stay with me till the end, and we are all going to be billionaire friends in the near future. Without much ado, let's dive in. Okay, so guys, this is my MT4 app interface. As you can see, I'm on the charts. Because this section is selected, it has displayed a chart on I think New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc for me. As you can see, this is the interface. I already have an account and I've linked it. I'm not going to teach how to link your account to the MT4 today. If you don't know how to do that, you can go on my channel. I think I have 2 videos explaining that same process, how you can create your accounts and also link it to MT5. I think this video here will show you that. This video that says claim free $111 trading capital. So guys, as you can see, I take my time to nurture you on most opportunities through which you can make money online. And this right here also talks about how you can link an account to MT5. That was the derived account, right? So you can check one of these videos for the guide, right? So we are going to take all these steps one after the other. So make sure you stay with me. First, let me start by explaining the interface you see for you. First, we talk about this. We'll go there, this one, this, and also that, right? Okay. So the first one, which is with the plus sign, is how to execute a trade, right? When you click on it, this is where it will bring you, right? When you click on this, it will bring you to this section. So this is where we execute a trade. If I drop a signal and I expect you to either long or short, that's either buy or sell, this is where you do it. So let's say I give you a signal and I tell you to enter at market price, or I just drop a signal without entry price. When you come and you want to trade, make sure this section, let's say you are in my group and I've dropped a signal that go and buy, just go and buy this. You make sure this is on market execution, right? But we will come to buy limit, sell limit, and do stuffs. All right. So we have the take profit section here. We have the take profit section here and the stop loss section. So the take profit is when you want to exit the market with profit. Let's say you bought and for Christ's sake price has gone up, you want to take your profit. That is the take profit. And let's say you predicted, you entered the market and it's not going on your favor, right? You can the stop loss is where you want to opt out of the market. So you just enter your take profit when it was a buy position, something that should be above the current market price, and your stop loss obviously will be below the current market price. So let's go to the next section, which is this dollar sign, right? When you click on it, that's where you get to see the quotes. the various pairs that we are trading with. And now the only pair on my watch list is this pair NZDCHF, right? I'll show you how to add the pairs. Okay, so let's go to the other section here, which is where you'll find various tools that will help you draw like trend lines, like horizontal lines. So let's say if I want to draw a trend line, right, or a diagonal line, or okay, so I want to draw a trend line, I'll click on that, right? So when I come, let's say I want to draw from here to that place. Guys, I hope you can see this, right? So those are the tools you need when making your analysis. I hope I'm ringing a bell. Now we also have the indicator section. We have the indicators section there. You can click on it, and then any indicator that you want. Let's say okay, this is moving average. Okay, so let me click on it and add moving average. Okay, so you can see, right, that red line. Let me delete this guy. This red line, I hope you see it. That's the moving average, right? We will talk about it in the near future. Okay, we also have this guy. Let me bring it and you see something. I hope you've seen this guy, right? Have you seen that guy? Now let's say you want to take a trade here. You want to pick a trade here. It helps you to know your entry price. You see that at some instances we also use it. Okay, you see something here. I hope you've seen that. That's the entry price of this trade, right? I hope you see that, right? So let's say you want to write this bib from this section to this. Now you get your price there. So it helps in easy navigation, right? That's taking stop loss and those stuff. You can use it and it will give you the exact value of your standing point. So you go in and then enter. So let's look at this guy too. I'm explaining all these stuffs to you, right? Okay, so when you want to remove it, it will come on. You see, you tap on it again and it will be removed. Now let's go to the almighty, the mother section, the menu section, right? This is where we manage accounts. You click on manage accounts, you see and all the accounts you have will pop up here, right? Okay, so let's go back to our charts. Now let's look at something at this section, right? Okay, so this section, let's click on it and see something. So this is where you can add the various pairs, right? So you click on addition, and then let's say you want to add BTC, Bitcoin. You can just search BTC USD like that and it will be added. Let's say you want to add GBP USD, you can search, it will be add, right? But I don't know if because this broker doesn't support okay, let's add good, right? So good USD, we can also add good. So when we go back, you can see we'll be having various pairs. So the pair that you want to trade, you click on it. Let's say I want to trade Great British Pound and then US dollar. I will just click on it like that and then click on open chart. So here I will be observing the charts, right? I will be observing GBP USD charts, and when I want to take a trade, let's say I want to enter the market here at this section. If I want to long, I want to buy, I'll just click on this section. You see the entry price I want to enter is 1.26143. So I'll just click on that, go and execute my trade, right? So this section is where you click and you get the charts. Now what about this? What about this? Right? You click on it, and when you have any trade running, this is where you will see it, right? as you can see, we have balance, which is 133 dollars. That's my balance as at now, right? And we also have the equity. Equity will only function when you are in a trade, and let's say you are in profit of $5, you will see your equity at, if it was to be my account, at 100 and let's say $38, it will be added to the equity section until you close the trade before it will be added to your balance, right? Okay, let's look at this guy as well. Let's look at this guy and see what it has for us. Okay, so this, oh my god, oh my god, this is the history section. It consists of all the pairs you've added or you've traded before, right? So guys, I hope I've made myself clear. On our next video, we will talk about how to place a trade, the various types of trades, and how to place any of them, right? Thank you very much. I hope I've done my possible best introducing you to the MT4 interface, right? Why don't you subscribe to my channel, as I devote some of my precious time to make sure you are also rich. Thank you very much. See you another time.